Good morning, Philippines!
So yun guys, lutuin ko to. Hinugasan ko siya bago ko ikat yung end kasi hindi natin alam. Hinugasan ko ng maigi. And then, And Tommy is planning to make a seafood salad. But ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys kung paano. Kung paano ito lutuin. This is, what is this? Mussel. Clam. Squid. So, i-boil niya ito, guys. And then, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ilalagay ko. Kakaiba yung seafood salad nito kasi we have a kinilaw. But
Nice.
yeah, I make it nicer. I make it tastier because I always redo yours. Long time ago. Honey, move, honey.
Nice. Smack you right in the camera.
Guys, oh, your butt. Yeah, not yet. So, right now, guys, I'm going to
I got a bunch of fire extinguishers at your.
magkat tayo nito. Fast forward tayo guys para hindi mataas yung video kasi sobrang taas na yung video natin. Ipakita ko din sa iyo. Well, I think the same thing kung lulutuin ko to, the same lang siya sa sa asparagus. I-boil siya, kailangan siyang i-boil para para hindi yung sobrang mushy. Gusto namin may pagka-mushy, basta in between sa mushy and crunchy yun. And then if mag-cut ako ng garlic, if fry ko yung garlic, a lot of garlic, and then pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Nag-ano siya ng mga meat, ganon. Wala, hindi tinapos doon, lumabas. Saka, look, oh, daming nako talaga. Kapag si Tommy yung magtrabaho sa kusina, no? Mag-ano ka talaga, mag-konsumisyon. Kasi, yung ano doon, yung ano nga natin itong buhok natin, bika, kasi na-disturbo ako talaga. So, anyway, kanina, nagluluto siya ng nagbubuil siya ng seafood. Pinabayaan niyang nagbuil-buil. So, ang daming nahulog. Yung tubig lumalabas. Doon, ang amoy dito is seafoody. Seafooda. So, ngayon, para sa seafood, ang ano ko guys, is parang sa Pilipino lang na seafood. Maggawa ka ng kinilaw. Onion, a lot of ginger, and yun, and pepper. Lagyan ko ng pinakurat. Meron tayong sukang pinakurat, yun, masarap yun. Ang seafood ni Tommy na binuil niya is andito, right there. Hindi pa siya tapos. I don't know kung ano mga ginagawa niya dito sa kinabuhi niya.
I know I called you last week. I knew it was a week early, and I knew that. But I want to call you on you, he said.
Hi guys, nilagyan ko na siya nito guys. So, kang pinakurat. And ito. Handlock, is that okay with you, this?
Yeah. Okay, now I gotta cook these up in a pan. I need flour. I need flour.
Guys, how many minutes you boil this seafood all together?
Well, a couple minutes each thing.
Couple minutes each.
And then it tastes like crap.
You can also add celery with this, guys, and red bell pepper and green bell pepper. It's good.
Since 2017, she discusses the current state of the U.S.
That's it, guys. And somebody's busy because he's a pin in the daycare. Dada, haba dingling. Dada dingling. Dada is playing with his own dingling.
Let me play my own dingling.
Did you play your dingling for her?
That's it, play my dingling. Alright, guys. One for a round.
Families came together today to pay virtual tribute to the lives lost 25 years ago in Oklahoma City bombing. Coronavirus cancellation of today's planned ceremony.
You always want to give me this.
And the Oklahoma
Gotta
City
be in.
National Memorial and
Come on,
Museum
Ross.
aired
Come on, you can be here.
overall
You can be here. Come on. Come on. Come on, Ross.
68.
Oh,
It was April 19,
come on. Up you go. Up you
when
go.
a truck bomb destroyed the Alfred
You playing with your dingling? Can I play with your dingling?
Then President
My
Bill Clinton
giggling.
spoke at the Oklahoma State Fair Arena 4 days later. We pledged to do all we 2001.
I don't want to hear it.
Greg Nichols was sentenced to life. One police officer is dead and 2 others.
One tablespoon of water per egg.
Is that what it's... Tommy made this. Look, guys. I'm gonna grab your dingling. She always like one of it.
What, Ross? What? She's aggravated. What, you got missing the picture.
Hala, don't put so much on. It's gonna be very,
Okay. This is also clean in the pot.
Yun siya, guys. Ito yung niluto ni Tami. Ilagay na lang siya sa oven. Ang nilagay niya is, yung tawag nito, chicken franchise. Nilagyan niya ng cheese sa ibabaw at saka yung ginamit namin sa pag-fry ng chicken at saka a lot of lemon. So, ngayon, magluluto tayo ng string beans. So guys, ito yung dinner namin and ito din seafood salad. And if Tami want chicken, may chicken naman dito. Yun yung chicken niya, guys. Kain tayo, guys.
I sit where the food is.
So let's try this scrumpy,
Scampi.
scampi, not scrumpy.
Not scampi.
And what is this? String beans and seafood salad. So ito yung very American food.
Unfinished seafood salad.
Unfinished. This okay, honey. Perfect. So let's try the scampi.
On February 19th, there was a February 19th, there was a Democratic debate.
We still want rice.
3 words.
We had a
Seafood
Windsor.
cooked right, not tough, small tender.
You cook it perfect.
Develop new treatments and therapies to battle the
Tommy cook the seafood perfect.
therapies to me are the most exciting. The vaccines are obviously so important.
This campy is good.
NIH. This extraordinary program is
That's crumpy,
financially
scampi.
to speed and development
It's good.
anti-rival and if you look at
Better we put the black pepper on.
in terms of the speed,
Really?
it's unrivaled. It's totally unrivaled. There's never been anything like it. The FDA and Dr. Stephen Hahn, highly respected man from a great institution.
Yung hangin sa labas ba?
He's working, we all are in all fairness, but he's been working with his task force and everyone else
Grabe.
in January. And some of whom are with us today, Steve McConnell with CMS. The coronavirus
When you are so hungry,
task force today,
and then you end up eating a lot and everything is so good,
continue to stabilize and
your stomach is so painful after.
New Jersey, New York, Long
I
Island.
remember when we have party over there with the Filipino party, we were so hungry, everybody's hungry, and then I danced.
Also appears to be past its peak.
Oh my god, I can't breathe that time, man. It's like the stomach is, I can't move. Every time movement like this, painful. So you guys, we are done eating a while ago. Pero sumakit yung ano ko guys, at yan ko. Kasi utot ako ng utot, pero hindi ako makalibang. So sumakit yung tiyan ko, sobrang sakit. So I told Tommy if he can get me some coffee. So yun, kinuna niya ako ng coffee. Thanks,
But the
son.
software doesn't work. I have to get a different kind of software.
Thank you, baby. We're watching Ant-Man, guys, and I'm having really bad pain. And then, maybe because itong coffee, makapupo.
Called a cam link. But I don't know what the Elgato.
Ay, Kamleng! Did you have this long time ago?
Yeah.
Hi, guys! Thanks to Tommy for the coffee because nawala na yung sakit ng tiyan ko. Ang light pa naman. Nawala yung sakit ng tiyan ko. Utot ako ng utot. Yun, nawala siya. Kasi yung coffee kasi parang dadalhin ka sa CR ba kapag umiinom ka ng coffee. So yun. Anyway guys, we're going to end the vlog. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Kapag nag-subscribe kayo guys, hit the bell button, yung bell ba, para kapag mag-upload ako, ma-notify kayo, yun. So, yun guys, ang dilim ng bahay dito. Good night.
Hi guys.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow. You missed the end.
Hala! There is an ant woman. Hala!
So that was the advanced prototype, but our mother never lived to use it.
She likes Oh, you think there's part 2 of this?
Probably.
Han, can we look?
Well, I don't know about that yet.